Hi guys, Down Under Monkey. Today I'm going to pick a challenge lock from an absolute gentleman, Steel Pinnings. Very nice guy. One of the true gentlemen of the sport. This one is called Spiderman Peter Parker. And the cylinder is an S Parker. Or J Parker, probably S Parker. Runs like a dream. That little smiley face on the back, that's funny. Alright, let's give it a bonus and have a go. I've dealt with Steel Pinnings a few times. Well, not a few times. I've got packages off him a couple of times, but we talk a bit on Discord, and he's a regular commenter on my content. It's good to hear the words of wisdom. I have tried and failed with this lock. Sorry, I didn't even show the bitting. So there's the bitting. Bit wild. Looks like a 5-pin, but who knows? Could be psychological warfare. So I'm using this particular tensioner that I made. I'll try that. Pig fits in just about everything. Because I can sit here and just give it very light push over like that with my finger. I'm just trying a whole bunch of different tensioners to figure out what's comfortable, and this one feels good for a couple of the locks I've picked so far. So let's get into this. Maybe it'll be camera shy. Okay, so a couple of little clicks there. Kind of feels like a serration, to be honest. I've had trouble with this one, attempting to pick it. Just nothing seemed to have worked thus far. Just doing it again. Okay, 2's binding. Okay, that feels set. Using the very tip of my finger on the tension bar. Move this camera up a little bit. I find I can feel when a serrated pin is mostly set, and here comes the rain again. Because through the very tip of my finger like that, you feel vibrations when things are setting. Okay, I'll stop talking for a minute because the rain, but try and give an explanation a little bit later. There we go. That's an open. Geez, I'm happy with that. I haven't cracked the Steel Pinnings lock yet. Wow. And of course it's going to be so rainy and loud. You might want to turn your volume down. Otherwise you're just going to hear me yelling. And now it stops. Brilliant. That's alright though. It'll come back. We need the rain in Sydney. We certainly do. Anywhere on the east coast it's on fire actually. screwed up shims. Actually, turn that back a bit because I don't have a notched follower. I'm going to need that to be like that. Hopefully this follower fits. Yeah, beauty, 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 beauty. Okay, turn on the front light. Sorry about that. Didn't look like anything done to the core. It's pretty stock standard. Let's dump out some pins. Okay, serrated, 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 and serrated with a tiny bit of a spool flavour to it, actually. I'll give you a close-up of these pins soon. Yeah, that's kind of like a serrated spool in a way. Okay, let's see what was up the top. Get that shim out of there. Okay, serrated in one. I'll dump the springs out as I go. Serrated in two. Come on, springy. Different spring in two. Serrated in three. Different spring in three. Let's go to the back. Serrated in five. And another different spring. Good to mix it up a bit, I suppose. And a serrated spool in four. With a different spring again. So 5 different springs and 5 different chambers. Nothing done to the core. Well, not that I can see. And these are pins. Nice pin work, mate. Deep serrations in the top pins and the bottom pins. That's really cool. Yeah, so there you go. That one was Spiderman / Peter Parker by Steel Pinnings. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you on the next one. Have a good day.